Okay, today, what is this class? Do you know the name? Coffee hours, yeah, global English, yeah. Global English coffee hours. Why are you taking this class? To practice English, hopefully, yeah. Maybe you can travel with the English that you learn in this class. Well, how do you get to different places? You go to the airport. So we are talking about the airport today. Okay, first, let's look at this word planes, okay? So you can say plane is okay. Americans say airplane. Airplane is American way. British people, aeroplane. Aeroplane, yeah. Aero means something to do with the wind. Aeroplane. Or airplane. Or plane. All of those are okay. But I am American, so I never say aeroplane. If you are in Taiwan and you want to travel to another country, do you have to go to an airport, or is there another way to travel? Can you travel by boat from Taiwan? Where can you go by boat? So in Taiwan, what cities have airports? Do you know? Kaohsiung, yeah? Taoyuan? Taipei? Is that the same one? Tainan has an airport. Really? I found the airport. The airport in Tainan. Where can you travel to if you are using the airport in Tainan? I've only been to Taipei and Kaohsiung's airport. So, we said you can travel by boat or travel by plane. So why do you want to travel by plane? Why is traveling by plane better than boat? Faster, safer? A plane was more comfortable than a boat? Okay, so you want to go to the airport. You want to travel somewhere. What things do you need to bring when you go to the airport? So passport, luggage, okay. Any more? Money, okay, of course. They don't let you on the plane for free. So snacks, a pillow, phone charger, a battery, passport, money, okay? I want you to think of 5 things you can do in an airport, okay? Okay, let's look at what we have. Play smartphone, yeah? You don't have to be in an airport to play a smartphone, but okay, yeah. Play. Go. Go to. Huh? Maybe some British people would just say go to toilet. They say go to hospital, things like that. Some British people. Americans will say go to the toilet, go to the hospital. But sometimes British people, they will drop the for places. What is this? Register luggage. What is this? Okay, check in. Okay. Go to the VIP room. Yeah? Something you do? I'm not a VIP, so I can't go. What is VIP? Yeah, very important person. I'm not very important, so I've never been. Shopping, yeah? What kinds of things can you buy in an airport? Coffee? Okay.
Cosmetics.
Really? Cosmetics? Like makeup? In Taiwan, do you think there are special things in the airport that you can buy? Chocolate, okay. Maybe Taiwan tea? Maybe Taiwan jelly? Jelly snacks? Okay. Sleep, yeah? It's very hard in an airport. Buy some duty-free items. What is this? Joanna, what is this? Duty-free. Tax-free things. Yeah. So you go to the duty-free shop to buy tax-free items or duty-free items. But the items are very expensive even without the tax. Okay, good. So these are some things we could do in an airport. But what is the first thing you do when you go to an airport? So you check in. What do you do when you check in? Give your ticket? Maybe, okay. What else? What if you have some items? What do you do with your items? You can check in your items. Check in your bags. Check in yourself. Yeah. So you can't bring liquids. Liquids, yeah. More than 100 milliliters. Maybe, is this too much? Maybe too much in my bag. I can't have this in my bag. What other things? What is flammable? Yeah, items that can burn. Meat, maybe some plants. Animals, no animals in your bag. Okay, so you go to the airport and you check in. Where are some other places that you can check in? Do you know? A hotel. You say, hi, I'm here to check in. My name is blah, blah, blah. Parking lot. What other areas are in the airport? We have terminals. Okay. Okay, so we have terminals. We have a parking lot. What's this? Runway. So you go to the parking lot, you go to Terminal A to go check in, and your plane takes off on the runway. Okay, so this is the terminal. What are we doing in this terminal? Do you remember? Checking in. There are different counters. Why are there different counters? Yeah. So we have different airlines. An airline is just the company that owns the plane. So hi, I'm at Terminal A. I want to go to American to check in. So if your friend says, take me to the airport, you need to ask them what 2 questions? What terminal and what airline? Okay, so we're at the check-in counter. What things do you need at the check-in counter? Okay, ticket, passport. So I am a foreigner. I have to bring my passport, even flights inside the country, I think. If you want to fly from Taipei to Kaohsiung, do you need your passport? Why? So we have two different flights. Domestic, inside the country. And we have international flights, yeah. Domestic, have you heard this word before? So domestic is like inside or inside your home. So a domestic flight inside the country, a domestic pet you can have inside your house, like a dog or a cat. So domestic flights, domestic animals, domestic violence, domestic different things. Domestic issues, an issue inside the country. And we have international, which is between two or more countries. Okay, hi, I want to check in. Here is my passport. And they give me a boarding pass. Why do you need a boarding pass? You use a boarding pass to board the plane or the flight, yeah. You need to bring your luggage. Why do we need to say 5 pieces of luggage? 5 pieces of luggage. Why do we need to say pieces? Uncountable, yeah. This is sand. Sorry, it's hard to see. So we have sand at the beach. Can you say 1 sand, 2 sand, 3 sand? Why? Uncountable. Yeah, so sand is uncountable. Uncountable. So what do we say? We want to say 5 sand. So in sand, we can use the word grain. 5 grains of sand. What about rice? If we have uncountable noun, we need to have number, the count word. How do you count rice? Do you know? So rice, we can say 1 kilo of rice. 2 bowls of rice. Same grains. 10 grains of rice. Can you think of any more uncountable words? How can you count water? Okay, 1 bottle of water, 1 cup of water. Okay, water is uncountable. Garbage, can we count garbage? 1 garbage, 2 garbage. Is that okay? What do we need to say? 1 piece of garbage, because garbage is uncountable. Okay, let's look. 5 cups of tea, yes or no? Yes, very good. How do we say this word? Yeah, British people, bottles, or some people would say bottle. Bottle. Americans would say bottles. 7 bottles of milk. 6 kilos of meat, a lot of meat. And 1 bag of money. We can say 1 bag of money or a bag of money. Okay. 1 bag is not enough though. Maybe like 10 bags. 100 bags of money. I think that's better. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of luggage. Or 5, what else? Bags of luggage, yeah. Very good. So we go to check in. We have our 5 bags of luggage. We go to the terminal. Here is our luggage. I don't have any bottles of water in my 5 bags of luggage. Here is my passport. And what do they give me? Boarding pass. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at our boarding pass. What pieces of information are on your boarding pass? What does it tell you? Name of passenger, John Doe. Have you ever heard this name before? John Doe is a name that we use if we don't know the name of somebody. Okay, so we have John Doe. Is John a boy or a girl? Okay, so John Doe, we use this name if we have a man and we don't know his name. What about a woman? We use the term Jane Doe. So we have the name of our passenger here. What is this here? Carrier. What is a carrier? Is the airline. Yeah. Is the company. We have our flight number here. AC 2505. We have first class, economy. What else do we have? Business class. Economy, business, first class. Okay, so we have class. What class do you think this is? B? Yeah, good. From New Delhi? Where is New Delhi? Do you know? India. To Los Angeles. Where is Los Angeles? West Coast, what country? USA. What state, do you know? We have our date. We have luggage. Y. What is Y? Yes. Seat? 5A. What is 5? Do you know? Row. So here's the plane. First, second, third, the very back one. 20th row. And A? Maybe window, maybe aisle. Depends on the plane. Gate? What is the gate? Boarding gate, where you get on the plane. Boarding time. And all this is the same information. Why do we have 2 pieces of the same information here? Yeah, you go, hi, I want to board the plane, and they'll rip it off, and you get this small little one. Yeah. So this is your boarding pass. This is the information that is about your flight. Let's look at some more information about our boarding pass. So we have this word, departure. What is departure? Departure, it means to leave. It is the noun of to leave. So what is the verb? This is the noun. What is the verb? Depart. To leave. So on your boarding pass, where do you depart from? New Delhi. Yes, that is where you depart. The opposite of depart is destination. On your boarding pass, where is your destination? Los Angeles. Yeah. So what kinds of questions can we ask about our flight? So we have some information here, but how can we ask questions about our flight? How can we use who to ask about our flight? Okay, who are the passengers? I have Who am I sitting by? We have what? What question can we ask for what? Very good. What's your destination? What airline does the plane belong to? Or you can ask when. When does the flight depart? We can use the word depart, or what other word can we use? So we can use the word take off to mean to fly, to start flying. We need to say, how many pieces of luggage do you have? Or we can say, how much luggage do you have? So we can ask these questions about our flight. When does my flight leave? Where is the flight gate? How do I check my bags? Oh, we forgot how. How do I blah, blah, blah? How do I board the plane? What kind of plane will I be boarding? Are different questions we can ask to know more information about our boarding pass. One way and round trip. What is the difference here? So round trip, you go there, come back. Round trip. One way, you go, and you just stay there. We have non-stop. What is non-stop? Direct flight. A non-direct flight, just like that. We're at A. We want to go to B. A direct flight. Direct. If we have to stop somewhere, we have to go here and then here. This is a one-stop flight, A to C to B. A layover is on your connecting flight. Connect. So C connects A and B. So C is your connecting flight. If you have to wait, you have a layover. So the best flight is nonstop, no layover, window seat. Yeah? Okay.